Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Moe's Garage. Today I am doing manifolds on an F250 Ford Super Duty pickup truck, 4-wheel drive, with a 5.4 Triton. Anybody that owns a 5.4 Triton knows what a pain in the butt that is. Here's the manifold number 1 off the driver's side. You can see she is cracked pretty good right there. Nice little crack going on over here. And then on the end of the runner, she's all cracked up. A lot of rot going on. It's a plow truck. We do live here in Michigan. Fine quality winters. You know, lots of salt. But today, we'll be repairing this beast. Hopefully getting her quiet again for the owner. He's not too happy about it being loud. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of room in here to work. We do have one broken stud back here in the corner that I've got to drill out, easy out. This side was the easiest, this driver's side. Just moved the air intake and plenty of room. But this side over here, boy, look at down there. We got to get down there to get to that manifold back there. Here's a little wheel well shot. Probably won't be too bad in the wheel well. It's probably where I'll access it and take it off. Pulled the Y pipe yesterday afternoon. It is right over here. It came off with no problems. Everything was good to go with that. As you can see, plow trucks take a lot of abuse. They anything that's raw metal or even painted on it, doesn't matter. The salt here in the Northeast just destroys cars. Nothing to do with the owner, just what salt does. And this here manifold is arguing with me a little bit. She does not want to come off of the truck, but it's alright. We will get her hammered out. This one is really being a pain in the butt. So now I'm going to try and use a little heat. Try and get these studs out. As you see, there's a broken one right here. So I've got a broken one on each side. Still not sure how I'm going to get to the bottom ones on this side because there's not a lot of room, but we'll get her done. As you can see, I had to take the old 4.5 inch cutoff wheel and cut the heads off because they were so rotted that there was no socket that would fit. So there you go. I cut them all off on the top. The bottom ones seem to be okay. And just like that, there it is. All them broken little studs. Yeah, this one's gonna be fun. Look at the mess we got going on there. Got 2 broken studs here and there. Got another one up here in the front corner. Let me get some light there. There you go. You can see that one's broke off. And I cut these 3 to get them off because they were too far rotted to hold a socket. Who knows what millimeter they are now. They started out as 12s, now they're nothing. And then I got 2 that came off real easy. But the fun is just beginning. And here again we can show you some more damage. You know, see what snow does to a plow truck. That's the block right there. That's pretty bad. Gonna have to show the customer all that. This is pretty much how I'm removing the broken off or cut off studs from the head so that I can put new studs in for the new manifolds. Should be picking those up in the morning along with the stud kit. And hopefully have this thing wrapped up tomorrow afternoon. Alright, here are the studs that were cut off by me. I removed these 2 remainders that survived. And here you can see I got the, sorry about the light there. I got, you know, these are all extracted out. Now I've got to come in with a drill and center punch and easy out and get those 2. And then there's one up front that needs it too. Over here in this area right there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so we're here doing this, and like I said earlier, I was gonna drill and easy out the broken off studs. There's this one here, and then I've got this one here I just started drilling, and then one up here that I haven't drilled yet. And we'll do that one. I'm using this crazy contraption here. I've seen angle drills before, but this one's weird. Right here you can see I'm putting the new studs in, getting ready to put the manifold on. Now surface I cleaned up with a little WD, and that stone right there, it's a flat stone, it's for doing machine surfaces. Just wanted to make sure there was no grit, no nothing in the way to block the gasket or anything going on. And there's the new manifold right there. New gasket, some of the new hardware here. Alright. And all I'm doing to put these studs in is I'm using a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 5mm socket. Get them started in the thread there. There's the manifold in. Get the other side installed, and then I'll throw the wide pipe back in and fire it up. See how it sounds. The only thing I have left to do is put the wheel liners in, put the tires back on, and clean up my mess. That's how you change manifolds on an F250 Super Duty.